Carl Sagan once said, if you want to make an apple pie from scratch, you must first invent the universe. Every element on the periodic table came from either the Big Bang, the ferocious fusion inside a star, or the titanic blast of a supernova. The oxygen we breathe, the magnesium in a plant cell, the carbon and many other atoms that make up the human body. See how telescopes reveal the hidden fingerprints of distant stars. Explore our cosmic connections in The Cosmic Recipe, Setting the Periodic Table.